The Igbo Farm has since been open to visitors, and they've been coming in large numbers. Nneka.
Hi everybody, I'm here in front of the OB at the Igbo Farmers Compound. I'm here with Grace, who has kindly accepted to talk with us and share some of her feelings about this exhibit. Grace, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
In our language, welcome is no. So you're welcome here. Would you like to share with the people, how do you feel being here?
Well, actually, I just walked in a moment ago, but I hear that this is just the first few days that this exhibit has been open, and so I think it's really neat. I live in Staunton, and I've heard that you've been working on it for a while.
Yes.
I actually traveled in West Africa for a summer once.
Really? Where did you go?
I was mostly in Ghana.
In Ghana, okay.
A little bit of a different style, but,
but
next door, you know,
yes,
almost next door. So.
In Ghana, wow, that's wonderful. So we have someone that has traveled in West Africa, has seen some of the authentic things, a little bit of a different style, and now she's here. So do you think they kept it pretty real?
Yeah, sure. From what I can tell, absolutely. I think it's really neat. Yeah.
And how do you think this is going to draw a lot of visitors from all over the world to Staunton? How do you feel about that?
I think it's fantastic. It's a great thing to have here in Staunton.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Everybody, we're still here at the Frontier Cultural Museum in Staunton, Virginia. Are you tired of hearing me say that? Don't be. As the excitement continues, as the activities continue, I have here with me Lolo, Dr. Mrs. Chinyere Odelgabiko Kenendivanyi.
I'm very pleased to be here at the Igbo Frontier Museum, and we're here at the Igbo Village.
Yes, home of the Igbo Village.
Yes. It's very exciting. It's like being back home in Africa. And whenever we come here, it's always a great time. We relax, we eat Igbo food, we meet friends, we talk. The air is fresh. And the expanse of land is just awesome.
Home away from home. Okay?
It is home away from home.
Okay. Nico, Chichi, this is my friend Doyana. Well, Chichi, can you tell them how many times have you come here? Because you say whenever you come here. Can you tell people how many times you've come here and what kind of activities have taken place here?
Okay. We've been here almost 6 times. We came initially as volunteers and we've been volunteering since then. The first time we came, we were getting the buildings put up and we had to
we had to prepare the cement for the bricks, the mud.
And at that time I had a baby, a small baby.
But she still worked.
Yeah.
She was roasting yams.
I was roasting yams and plantains, and we ate it with palm wine.
Palm oil. We wish we had palm wine, but we didn't.
We didn't have palm wine, but we had the palm oil, and that's what we had.
Okay.
And then the other times we did several things. We polished the building after it was built.
Yeah, smooth the walls.
We smoothed the wall. And
so is the Igbo Farm compound ready? What's left to do? Because if people still want to come, is there still any decorating? And so
yes.
Okay.
They're still decorating, some more polishing to be done on the wall, and then we want to
Okay, so if you're good, I don't care if you're Igbo, you're not, you know how to decorate the African building?
Yeah.
Come on down, because we're calling it also West African Farm Villages for all of us, African Americans, all of us. If you know how to do it, come down. Frontier Cultural Museum. Director is Mr. John Avoli. We don't turn anybody away. This is a communal thing. So in closing, can you just tell us what all of this signifies to you and tell us why you would recommend other people to come?
Yes, this is a place where we reconnect with our people. We were brought over here 400 years ago, and this is a place for us to see how we used to live and what skills we have. My children especially, this is a place for them to know how we build, how our culture has grown, and how they connect with their African American sisters and brothers. It's just great. It's just a place that we merge the people, the African people.
Okay. Has some no more wine. Women are not supposed to play this. I'm playing it anyway. That means bye and thank you for joining us.
Yes. Bye bye.